Hey everyone. So I have finally gotten my Young Living order. I ordered this back on December 18th and it's just now getting to me. Today is the 11th of January and I've been waiting so long for this one. I kept checking up on it to see where it was in the process of getting to me, and it was stuck in Tulsa, which is like an hour and a half away from me, and I haven't even opened it yet because I was like, it's just now getting to me. What's a couple more hours of waiting to open it so I can do it on here. But I'm really excited about this one. This is my 4th Essential Rewards, and pretty much all I got was oils this time. So I've got 3 tubes of oil, lots of bubble paper. I'm going to take everything out of here and get the box out of the way. Alright. So it says, oh, and I also got my loyalty oil this month as well. So for that one, it is, I believe, a peppermint is the 3rd month promo for being on Essential Rewards. And of course got the Essential Edge newsletter. I'm going to open this one up first with the weird little paper in here with it. This is like I guess a napkin. Yeah. This first one, I'm going to open it from this end. This one is nutmeg. This is the promo for hitting the 100 PV. I haven't had nutmeg yet, so I'm kind of curious about what nutmeg smells like because I don't ever really cook with it or anything. It's kind of earthy and spicy at the same time. That'll be interesting to use. The next one I got is cypress. Okay, so my whole theme for this order was like the raindrop technique stuff, and I had already some of the other oils in the kit, so I didn't want to purchase the whole kit again. I mean, even though that's the cheaper way to go, because I already had like the massage oil and all that other stuff, and I don't really use the massage oil very much, so I didn't want to have another bottle sitting around forever. So I just went ahead and ordered all the other ones. So this next one is cypress. To me, this one doesn't really have a smell. It's like a light wood. I mean, even though cypress is a wood, let's go to the next one, shall we? Okay, next one, marjoram. And I got marjoram in the Vitality line since it's cheaper that way. Can actually kind of taste this one since I'm smelling so much. That one, it's herby and spicy at the same time. I got a lot of the stuff in the Vitality line for the bottles this one is basil. I already know what this one smells like, and I love basil. It's probably my favorite herb to cook with. Oh my goodness. Love it. And then the next one is thyme Vitality. I don't ever really cook with thyme very much. That one stinks. Or at least to me it does. Okay. And the last one in this tube was peppermint. This is my promo for being of the loyalty. for being on rewards. I love peppermint. It's so refreshing. I actually drink peppermint tea all the time, and so it tells you how much I love peppermint. I was actually out of peppermint. I just put the last drop I had into my diffuser, and so I'm excited that I got that one as the loyalty gift. The next oil I got is RC. I was running low on this one. I don't really have to smell this one to tell you about it, but it's good for respiratory issues. I actually also use this one on my foot. I have plantar fasciitis, so I mix this one along with Panaway and Copaiba and there's one other oil that I put in there with this one, and it really seems to help my foot loosen up. The next one I have is Aroma Seas. And I got the 15 ml bottle on this one since I think this is all it comes in. Kind of smells like Panaway in a way. So this one has basil, marjoram, lavender, peppermint, cypress. Okay, yeah, I can see that one. And then the last one I got for the techniques of the raindrop is the, of course, wintergreen, which comes in the locked cap since it's wintergreen. I don't know about anybody else, but I love the smell of wintergreen and like icy hot and Panaway. I love the smell of them. I think it's because of the wintergreen that's in it that I like them. But I'm excited to do these. I've actually got an empty 15 ml bottle that I'm going to use. I'm going to put 7 drops of each of the raindrop oils in there, and then cap it off with the V6 carrier oil, and then put a roller ball on it. That way I can just have my boyfriend roll it up and down my spine, and I don't know. I guess we'll see how it goes, and I'll keep you guys updated. If y'all have any suggestions on how I can use any of these oils that I got, you can leave them in the comments below. I'm always open to those. And I guess I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all have a good evening. Bye.